Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Monopoly Go from Facebook. So first of all, you should know that the method to remove Monopoly Go from Facebook is by actually going into your Facebook application. So first of all, let's open our Facebook application. On the Facebook application, you have to click on the menu that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. In your menu, you have to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings. In your settings, you have to scroll down until you see the Your Activity section. Now, tap on Apps and Websites. In Apps and Websites, you will see all of the apps that are connected with your Facebook application. On these apps, you will see the Monopoly Go application. So you very simply have to click on Monopoly Go and an option that says remove will appear. So you have to click on that remove and you will be able to easily remove Monopoly Go from your Facebook application. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.